What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Simple Builds. I cannot seem to stay away from Hondas. So today we got my buddy's 2004 Honda Civic. It's got some wear and tear, some beauty marks, and it needs some love. So we're gonna be helping him out. We're gonna be transforming this thing on a tight budget. Some ideas for you guys to try in your own cars, make it look pretty mint again on a tight budget. So let's jump right into it. You know the drill, boys and girls. This is the scene where we leave the driveway. You guys get to hear the car. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take off. I think we're gonna go to Advanced Auto. We're gonna get a bunch of parts that we need. And once we get all those parts, we're gonna come back and start cranking away. But first, I'm gonna show you guys how much we spend, what we need to transform this car. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I buy and how much it costs. So let's do it. Checked out Advanced Auto Parts. Total came to about, let's see, $150 something, give or take some parts that you may or may not need. You might not need the interior soap or detailer and the exterior soap that I was running low on. So take that off, and that's like 135 bucks or so. 130-ish something bucks for all this stuff. So this should be fun. I'm excited to start freshening up this car and to go a little mini transformation. We just got home, just got some chicken nugs, you know the deal. They do give me a free cookie for no reason. So that's dope. So this is everything that we're gonna need to transform this car on a budget. We got our new hubcaps, we got our headlight resto kit, a front lip, some stuff to respray a couple trim pieces, some prep spray, interior detailer, exterior detailer, a touch-up pen, a rag, some tape, a scuffy for the parts that we're gonna be restoring, and a vacuum. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, some of this stuff I had extra from in the garage, so we're just throwing that in there. You know, it might cost a couple extra bucks here and there. So we're gonna get started. I think the first step, we're gonna wash the outside, vacuum the inside, interior detail. So let's get cranking on that. last melon. Hey guys, that's a wrap for tonight. I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. Got rained on, we ran out of daylight. All the fun's of not having a shop yet. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning, and I'll show you how it turned out. Guys, the next day, beautiful out. Birds are flying. Doing a little morning cruise on the cruiser board. So we're gonna get home. We're gonna reveal the Honda, and then we're gonna reveal the Honda to Donnie. See how he likes it. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we got Donnie here, and we're gonna reveal the car to him. So let's see what he thinks.
Can you change it back? It's all right.